Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can uninstall Avast Antivirus on Windows 10. So once you click on this hidden icon option, so here you can see your Avast Antivirus. Then you need to click the right mouse cursor, but there is no option to uninstall. So you need to go back and you need to click here in the search and you need to find for the Avast Antivirus. So here it is, Avast Premium Security, and then you simply need to click on uninstall. And once you click on that, a new window will pop up where you can see all your programs that are saved. So here you need to find the Avast and you need to uninstall from here. So let me show you the next process what you need to follow. So search here Avast and click on three dots, click on uninstall, click on uninstall again, and then you need to click on uninstall and add the reason, and now it is uninstalling, and then you need to, it will restart your computer as well, and after that it will be uninstall. So this is the process how you can uninstall Avast Antivirus on Windows 10. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.